Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create this text shadow effect in WordPress. I have used Editor Plus. Now let's get started. I have a group with a background color. Now add a heading block inside this group. Change heading tag to H1. Add heading tags. Now change the alignment to center. Font weight ultra bold. Font size 120 pixel. Letter spacing 2 and text transform uppercase. Now set the line height to 1.1 rem. Check on important. Publish the page. Go to dashboard. Go to editor plus settings. Click on advanced tab. Paste the CSS code here. You can find the code in the video description. Now click on save button. Go to front end. All good. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe Gutenberg Hub.